Hello! Today you're learning about linking words and how to keep your ideas short and concise. It's important when you're speaking English to not have big, long sentences. So we can use our linking words to keep our sentences nice and short. Some important linking words to remember from the lesson today is firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally. These linking words will help structure your ideas into 4 points. Firstly, number 1, secondly, number 2, thirdly, number 3, and finally, number 4, which is your last point. If you're wanting to conclude what you're saying, you can then say to conclude or in conclusion. And this will keep your nice structure. We have some other linking words that you can also use. These words are however, therefore. For example, if you're using however, this is like saying but. So I want to go there, however, I don't have the time. So you want to do something, but you can't. So however is very similar to but. And therefore is very similar to so. We can actually use so and therefore together at the same time. So for example, I'm really hungry, so therefore I'm going to get some food from the kitchen. See how using those connecting words really unite your ideas and make your ideas a lot easier to follow and to listen to. And also, it's important to note that when we're giving our opinion about something, it's important to start your sentences with a strong expression, like, in my opinion, I believe, from my experience, or the way I see it. And sometimes you might want to show that there are 2 sides to your argument. And you can say, on the one hand, but on the other hand. And this is really nice to show balance. So remember these rules, this advice to follow next time you're giving an argument or expressing your ideas in English.